Hello, here is Air Guns and ASG. Today, as I promised before, we will do some detailed review and my personal opinion about the BB gun from Umarex, which is the exact replica of the H&K USP. So basically, if you look at this air gun, you will see that it is well made and the quality is really cool. It's very good, fits in a hand. It have a metal slide and a composite frame. It is 177. In Europe it is 4.5 millimeter BB gun, so you get this round balls here, and it is powered by standard 12-gram CO2 capsule, which is located in integrated clip. The advantage of this solution is that you could release the magazine with the BBs and the capsule itself. So if you have another magazine, you can train, for example, tactical magazine clip changes. If you look at this gun, if you take it in the hand, you feel very comfortable and you are really enjoyed. But there is no rose without a thorn. I have several problems with the gas leaking from this gun. After 3 weeks after I buy it, it was in a service and they have replace these rubber O-rings inside the CO2 valve, but after a few months the problem goes back again, and I'm really angry and I'm really disappointed with this quality, because if you look at this from the first impression, you see, oh my god, really cool gun. For example, I have Gamma OPT85, which I use since 3 years, and there is never ever a little even problem with the gas leaking. Okay, it's really cool and it's good looking gun, but there is something in the construction, there is something with the design that causes it has leaking the CO2. I was trying to fix it, but there is no way to buy a replacement. Unfortunately, there is no service kit in sellings available. I was trying to buy it online or in shops, so you cannot fix it by your own. The only way to do is to buy another magazine clip, but the price of this integrated magazine clip with the CO2 valve is about the 60% of the new gun, so I think it's really unfair. Okay, so this is very big disadvantage of this gun, so the gas is leaking. However, even if it's leaking, it is still possible to shoot, but it's really disturbing and annoying if you are holding the gun and you see how this gas is leaking. Now I show you, using this glass of water, how to find the place of leaking. So you take the glass of water and put the magazine clip inside and you will see the CO2 bubbles. And this is the best way to check the leaking source. So the leaking source, as you can see here, is from the needle. It's from this moving part when the hammer hits and moves the valve. So now I will try to disassembly the whole valve and we will see what is inside it, what the part it consists of. Okay, so before we start, I have to prepare a little tool. I'll use a metal file, and using the grinder I have prepared some kind of key to look like this. because this valve is twisted very hard, and without such a key you cannot open it. So I have prepared such thing. Maybe you have a little one in your tools, but I haven't, so I need to do it by myself. So this is my tool, and now using it I'm opening the stuff. So after I disassemble the whole valve, you see that there is no damaged parts. All rubbers are in one piece. There is no deformation, no broken parts. So I will try to assemble it again and add some plumber tape to make this valve more sealed, and we will see what happened. And this is the result. Wow, oh my god. As you can see and hear, this method of repair is complete failure. So without the service kit, without the new rubbers, I am unable to fix this gun in this way. So unfortunately, and my only option is to buy another magazine clip. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any tips for me and maybe you will done this repair by yourself, please give a comment, please give me a solution, please give me advice. Thanks very much again, and see you later. It was Air Guns and ASG channel.